It is not a promising season. We need to do something to win the championship. Pronto, Ryan? Hello? Who is this on the phone? I am Binlllato. I am a Spinala master. Oh no, I'm gonna get Spinala by Binlllato. Not today, my amigo. Well, would you want to drive with Ferrari? Well, that's not a bad idea. I'll try. There you go. Then make a collision in Monaco. See if you can do it by getting a Ferrari seat.
B1. Let's go! Let's go! Come on!
Championship battle, but the championship can only be won by one, and it's going Dutch in 2021.
2022.
Max Verstappen, for the first time ever, is champion of the world.
Hello, Riot. Remember we signed on the deal with Ferrari that I would give you a Ferrari seat? Ah, yes. So, are you wanting to sign me up? How about I do a reserve driver for us? What? I thought we were friends. Don't you remember? You're gonna sign me up for a Ferrari driver's seat.